Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm That Modern Dude, and today I'm going to be talking about the ultimate media streaming device. And it's this bad boy right here. It's the Xbox One X. Now I know what you're thinking, the Xbox One X is a gaming console. First and foremost, and yes, that is what the majority of people that buy it use it for. But after playing around with it for a few months, it's become clear to me that this thing is just a media powerhouse with just all the apps that are available on it, and I definitely recommend this as the #1 device you guys should buy when setting up your own sort of home theater. Now I know in another video, I'll link it above, I've said that you should use a smart TV if you have no other device in the house, and I still stand by that. If you have a smart TV, I don't think you need to go out and buy something extra. But if you want to go over and above, this is the device for you. So why the Xbox One X and not an Apple TV or an Android TV? The main reason is, I guess, the gaming capabilities that it does have. And that's because it's a device that can have everything. You know, normally you can't have your cake and eat it too, or, you know, whatever that saying is. But with this device, you really can. So the app list is huge. I got some of them here, read them off. You got Netflix, Spotify, Amazon, Hulu, you got Microsoft Movies and TV, you got Plex, you know I love Plex, Sky, Twitch, Kodi, Anime Lab, Crunchyroll. There are a lot of apps on this device, and when you go through the list, there are some that you're just like, why is that on this device? But all these developers out there are developing their apps, and they just, thanks to Microsoft opening the platform up across Windows 10, they just work perfectly. So, you know, you got calculators, Windows Maps, you got a camera app, you know, that's there. Because of this reason, I think it's not quite on par with like an Nvidia Shield, but definitely on par with like the Apple TV in terms of, I guess, the variety of apps you have available at your fingertips should you need them. So the main reason that I selected the Xbox One X as the ultimate media streaming device, or the ultimate media player, whatever you want to call it, is just because it is an all-rounder. Nothing on the market quite comes close. In terms of apps available for media, you know, the Nvidia Shield and the Apple TV are certainly on par with what the Xbox One X can achieve, except for the fact that, well, the Apple TV has sort of casual gaming apps, so it doesn't really compete in that field. The Nvidia Shield definitely offers gaming capabilities that sort of come close, but obviously the Xbox One X is a gaming console. You know, it just can't compete in that field. Interface-wise, the Xbox One X is all right. I definitely prefer the sort of tile layout that the Nvidia Shield or the Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV have. It's sort of easier to move around, but you can customize the Xbox One X's dashboard to your liking and you can make it your own. You know, it's not perfect, but it does its job. Great thing is a lot of the apps that you use, so like Netflix, YouTube and that, they're all recently updated, so they run really well on this machine. Now in terms of price, the Xbox One X is definitely the most expensive device. Keep in mind, it is a gaming machine, is the most powerful gaming machine out there at the moment, and it comes in currently in Australian dollars, of course, $649. Now, if gaming isn't your thing, if you're going to be a light gamer but you don't really need a game in 4K, obviously go down to the Xbox One S, much cheaper at around $300. It is directly competing with the Apple TV, which is around $250, and the Nvidia Shield, which, you know, you can't even buy in Australia, but I have done a review, link up above, which comes in around about the same, $250, $280 after conversion. So, you know, you're a casual gamer, but you don't really need the 4K. Go for the S. You're still gonna get 4K video and HDR, which is awesome. And everything else is the same apps, you know, dashboard, nothing changes there. Accessory I'd recommend getting would be the TV tuner, because that allows you to watch over-the-air TV through the Xbox, you know, without anything else. You just plug that in the back, plug it into your antenna, boom, you're done. Nothing else on the market really sort of offers that complete package. You know, the Nvidia Shield and the Apple TV and those devices do offer the apps for your local channels, but generally they can be a bit mismatched, a bit hit and miss. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more behind the scenes stuff from myself, follow me on my social just down below. It's That Modern Dude, and that's for Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, everything like that. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and don't forget to like and share this video. And until the next one, I'll see you guys later.